In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up signing groups in DocuSign, step by step. Signing groups are incredibly useful when you want any one person from a team to sign a document, instead of assigning it to a single specific individual. This is perfect for departments like HR, finance, or legal, where multiple people can approve on behalf of the team. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and manage signing groups inside DocuSign. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can go directly to apps.docusign.com and log in with your administrator account. It's important that you're logged in as an admin, because only admins have access to create and manage groups. Once you're logged into your DocuSign account, look at the top navigation menu and click on Admin. This will take you to the admin dashboard, where you can manage users, groups, permissions, and other account-level settings. From the admin dashboard, find and click on Groups. This is where you can see all the existing groups in your DocuSign account. Groups allow you to organize users by department, role, or function, and they're also used to create signing groups. After you click on Groups, you'll see a list of all current groups in your account. If you want to review an existing group before creating a new one, you can click on the Actions button next to any group. The Actions menu gives you options to manage or edit that group. To check which users are already inside a group, click on Users within that group settings. This allows you to verify who is currently assigned and helps you decide whether you need to add or remove anyone before creating a signing group. Now, to create a new signing group, go back to the Groups page and click on Add Group. This is where you'll set up your new group that can be used for routing envelopes. You'll be prompted to enter the group details, such as the group name. Make sure to choose a clear and descriptive name, like Finance Signing Group or HR Approvers, so it's easy to recognize later when sending documents. After naming the group, you can add users to it. Select the users who should be part of this signing group. Remember, when you send a document to a signing group, any one member of that group can complete the signing step, depending on how you configure the routing order. Once you've added the appropriate users, review the settings carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then save the group. Your signing group is now set up and ready to use. When you create and send an envelope in DocuSign, you'll be able to select this signing group as a recipient instead of choosing a single individual. This makes your workflow much more flexible and ensures documents don't get stuck waiting for one specific person. And that's it. That's how you set up signing groups in DocuSign step by step. It only takes a few minutes, but it can significantly improve your document workflow and team efficiency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more DocuSign tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.